Yeah. Long live DG, nigga. Y'all know what the fuck going on?
It's real 2036, nigga. Hey, I said we boxing niggas in, yeah. Bitch, we on that tip. You a damn fool, you think I leave the crib without my stick? Pressure bust pipe, see you niggas felt the text for 50 bullets big enough to knock the head off your neck. Mark each other whip. We finna catch this nigga sleeping. Call him chillin' with his bitch and left his brains on the cement. Man, these niggas crowd killers, they ain't really shooting shit. Since these niggas wanna go high, we finna do his bitch. Bitch, I'm certified, I'll walk the whip if it was moving. Niggas barking on their ass, what the fuck is they doing? How you saw to hit your mans, bet his eyes open now. You a bitch, when you see me, call me Mr. Welcome down. Bitch, it's 2021, any problems get addressed. If you ever see me running, swear to God it's to a check. Unky fucking with the dog on the block, they call him vet. Hit his pops and his uncle, we gon' get his brother next. Bro, what the fuck? Swear this shit unacceptable. Heard that nigga can't talk or walk, he a vegetable. If I catch you walking with your deuce, bitch, I'll straight to you. Call my nigga nail and get you ate like an animal. Bitch, we really in the fields, from my eyes and tell the story. If it's B187, they can't fight you like you Dory. In his head like an alarm, if we catch that nigga snoozing. Bitch, long live my brother, still never fucking losing. Every time a nigga die, they swear we gave a green light. If it's beef, mask down like it's Halloween night. Make that nigga lay over like he in between flights. A dog hit that nigga hard, you ever seen a fiend fight, nigga?